Hi guys, welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a video DVD. Basically how to burn a DVD like a film. Now this time I'm using a software called Express DVD burning software from NCH. It is mostly accessible and we can create a video DVD independently. Okay, now I have a DVD which is 4.0 something size, 4.38 GB as I remember. Now for that DVD we can only burn an hour of video. Okay, we cannot burn about 3 hours video. If you want, you have to use another DVDs. There are some DVDs available which unfortunately I don't know about. So let's see a demo how to burn, and I will show after burning by playing the DVD in a deck, okay, in a TV. Okay, so let's get started with the burning process. So I'm using a video which is about 57 minutes long. Okay, I have downloaded the Express DVD burning software. I will provide the link. Unfortunately it is not free. Okay, you have to pay for it, but you can use for 2 times 3 times. So let's see a demo. Okay, let's get started. Okay, now let's launch the Express burn software. Now I have installed it. Let's Express. This is that. Now in this case you have to select the appropriate disk. Now I am burning video DVD. Press tab. You can select whatever you want. Just let's name it test. Okay, if you want you can check this, do not show this window, create. Okay, now you have to go to file menu by pressing alt key and add file. Okay, now I have to browse my file. This is my file. Okay. Then 05725 list, which means the video is about 57 minutes and 25 seconds. Okay, this is the something TV aspect ratio. Let's I don't know what those settings means, so let's just select widescreen and video settings button. Video settings, let's see what's DVD video encoder settings dialog. TV system grouping, NTSC radio button checked. Quality grouping, high quality slow encoding and larger size radio button checked. Medium quality faster encoding and moderate size radio button checked. Custom settings, make reviews a non-compliant DVD radio button checked. Medium high quality video coded grouping. Use internal coded first. Try this if you are having problems with video. Restore defaults button. OK button. Help button. OK button. Express NCH software. Create menu button. Create menu. This is the video DVD menu. Press this menu. Create a dialog. Text alignment. Menu preview. Title. Edit. Selected my video. Subtitle. Edit. Selected. This is my video. Text alignment. Button. Center button. Button. Red button. Next. Select custom edit. Save menu button. Now since this is only a video, cancel button. Help button. This has a menu with a background image and descriptive text. There is a single play button that will play all titles sequentially. List basic play 1 of 3. There is a basic list 2 of 3. No menu 3 of 3. No menu. Just select this one and help cancel save menu button. Save. Express NCH software untitled content star unlicensed non-commercial home use only dialog. No disk in drive total used. Burn video DVD button. Now I will show what the DVD is in a bit and let's burn it. Okay. Before the DVD get writes, it has to encode the video into the appropriate format in order to burn. Okay, for that it will take about 10 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. It depends on your computer speed and processor speed, etc. After that it will start to burn. Okay, so let's insert the DVD and let's come back to the burning process. Okay. Okay guys, now this is my disk CD.
let's take out. Please wait. Yes. As you can see, oh sorry. Yeah. This is how a DVD looks like. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So let's open the DVD drive. Let's put DVD into this DVD-ROM, and it will recognize. So
05720 file video 050 TV aspect video setting edit menu burn video DVD button.
Now let's click the burn video DVD.
Burn video DVD dialog right speed burn drive combo box key Asus DRW2045 MT 1.000017990CK44 collapsed.
Now if you have more than one DVD drives, you have to select the appropriate DVD drive which has the CD, the DVD CD, and now since I have only one, it's showing me the one.
Combo box MX collapsed.
This is the speed which the DVD burns.
24x, 60x, 8x, 1620 max.
Now max. Now it may depends on your DVD drive. Okay. Now in laptops there are only available, I hope, as I remember, 16x, 8x, etc. Okay. It depends on your DVD drive. Okay.
Copies to burn. Edit selected one.
Copies to burn. This one self-explanatory.
Spin button. Use over in 5-10% more data but possible errors. Checkbox not checked.
Actually I don't know what the setting means, so just leave it as default.
Verify content is correct after burn checkbox checked.
Yeah, this is useful. This will verify whether the burn has been correctly accomplished or no. It will check.
Name of the disk. Edit selected test.
Test the name of the disk. You can type whatever you want.
Burn button.
Burn button. Lastly, burn button. If after pressing this, it will encode, and after it will burn the DVD, and it will open the DVD drive and close it to verify it. Okay, and we can play the DVD using VLC Media Player, and I'll show whether the DVD works on standard TVs or not. So let's press the burn button.
Burn button focused. Press locate author in video DVD dialog author in video DVD author in video DVD 0% complete estimated time remaining 0000 express burn copyright NCH software cancel button.
Now this, as I said, this may depend on your system, so you have to wait for a while, and after it will start to burn. So now I'm going to cut this. That means I will fast forward this, and I'll come back after the encoding process completes. Okay guys, now the encoding process has almost complete. Okay, now the DVD drive will start to spin, to burn. Oh, what happened? Let's see. Authoring video not responded. Why is that?
NCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only dialog unavailable disk duration total used 22601.
What is going on?
Express phone NCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only dialog unavailable disk duration. Express phone NCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only dialog unavailable disk duration. Play input desktop. Test 0
wait.
Video DVD. Express phone NCH software untitled.m author in video DVD. Author in vid. VTS 012.1.
Something is going on.
Express phone NCH. Author in video DVD dialog right into ISO image 37% complete estimated time remaining 0046 express phone copyright NCH software cancel button.
Okay, now it has been started.
Not responding.
What will happen? Let's see. What's going on? It has started to burn. Now as you can hear, the DVD drive has started to spin. I hope you can hear. Let's see.
Offering video DVD not responding.
Not responding.
Expresslearn IMCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only dialog unavailable disk duration.
Okay, now it has started to burn like a grinder, right? This depends on your DVD drive speed.
Expresslearn IMCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only dialog unavailable disk duration. Total used 22601. Offering video DVD dialog Latin to disk 8% complete. Estimated time remaining 0000. Expresslearn copyright MCH software. Cancel button.
It may take some time. Now the drive is spinning extremely fast actually. So let's see what's going on. Okay.
Expresslearn IMCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only 01 column 1. Offering video DVD Latin to disk 26% complete. Estimated time remaining 0637. Expresslearn copyright MCH.
0637. So I will come back after the writing process is complete. Okay, so almost done.
Offering video DVD dialog Latin to disk 94% complete. Estimated time remaining 0024. Expresslearn copyright MCH software. Cancel button.
Let's see. Yeah, we've got, and it will also automatically get the drive again, and it will start to verify. Yeah, here's the verifying process. We've got a dialog box.
IMCH software untitled.m star unlicensed non-commercial phone use only dialog unavailable disk duration. Total used 2. Expresslearn IMCH software untitled.desktop list. List is desktop. Context menu. New. Running Google with this PC. There is desktop. 05725. Offering video DVD dialog. Verifying the 7% complete. Estimated time remaining 0000. Expresslearn copyright MCH software. Cancel button.
Now after verifying the disk, it will open the drive.
Offering video DVD dialog. Verifying the 10% complete. Estimated time remaining 0756. Expresslearn copyright MCH software. Cancel
So
button.
I will come back after the verifying process is complete. Okay guys, so the verifying process has complete. Now I've got the DVD, so let's go to the TV and let's see whether the DVD is playing or not. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, now I'm with my deck. This is the CD. Let's take out. Okay, okay, now turn on my deck, and in the TV you have to switch to the appropriate input, and you will be able to turn off this. Okay, now let's put the CD. So now it will start to play. Okay, very simple. Okay, it is playing. Yeah, we have done a great job. Let's remove. Okay, this is how you can burn a DVD into a video into a deck, a DVD. So guys, as the final tour, I'd like to show you what is on the CD. Okay, let's put the CD in.
Cortana window. Develop settings.
Oh, sorry.
Cortana.
I have
device map review level. This DVD level 1 content. The desktop list. This device at 5 Rashad F. Start. Device preview level 1 audio with disk drives. Display DVD level 2 assess DR cons update. Enable device E. Device map. This PC window. 3. Items view list. Folders grouping. Device Rashad DVD RW drive. G. Leisure World row 2 column 1.
Sorry.
Context. This
I have put the wrong CD.
Devices and drives grouping expanded. DVD RW drive. G. Row 2 column 1 12 of 12.
Okay. This is the right CD. So let's see what is on the CD, on the DVD actually. It may take some time to load.
Speak crop beep for crop devices and drives group. Okay. Crash DVD RW drive. G. Test row 2 column 1 12 of 12. Space 3. 0 bytes total size. 3.34 GB tooltip. VLC DVD / VLC media player window.
Now if you press enter, it will start to play on your default video player.
This PC.
Now let's
context play open O. DVD video TS2 of 2. Audio TS1 of
Audio TS folder is empty.
Video VTS010 video TS.ifo 2 of 8.
Now
type VLC media file size 8.00 KB video TS.bub1 of 8.
Now there are some files.
Video
so guys,
preview level 1 this context menu.
This PC window. End of the video.
This desktop.
Thank you for watching, and
desktop.
Hope
this PC
video has helped you. And if you have any ideas or recommendations, please post it in the comment section. I'm glad to help you, and if you have any questions, please post it in the comment section, and I will provide the link to the express burning software as usual in the description box. And please visit my Facebook page and like me. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video, and also signing out, Mohomed Rashad.